What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with our final Madam Glam Advent Calendar 2022 day. I'm gonna grab my tweezers. Okay, because I know it's a little card. So you guys, I'm so sad, but Merry Christmas to you guys. So we're gonna pull this out and oh my, okay, I see you. This is a gift card. This is so nice. I had a feeling it would be a gift card, but the mystery was how much would it be. I'm excited to spend this. This is super exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe it's so bittersweet. I can't even be that excited, honestly, because I'm gonna miss this. This was so nice. And you know what? This is really inspiring for me to create my own advent calendar. I don't know if I would be able to create it in time for next year, but it would be so cool, even if it was just to give to like elite goddess gang members, or not elite goddess gang members, but illustrious goddess gang members, maybe even elite goddess gang members, depending on how many members we have. But to create some boxes for you guys, advent boxes, and that would be so fun. I am so inspired. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. As you guys know, you can always save 30% on your Madam Glam purchases with my discount code GoddessNails30. It's always in the description box down below and on my blog site. Merry Christmas, you guys. How was your Christmas? Drop some comments. Definitely feel free to DM me. I have enjoyed my day. I made an amazing meal, and it was so good. My boyfriend wanted mashed potatoes, macaroni, and corn as the sides. So I made some candy yams and meatloaf with all of those sides. And I made cornbread, and I made some Red Lobster biscuits and all of that. It was really good. I mean, I savaged so much food. It was not even funny. YOLO. But anyways, after that, we had some dessert. I had ice cream, and that was really good. And we watched a little bit of, we watched like this program called Superbook for kids. We watched the Jesus story and the birth of Jesus, and then also we watched Medea's I don't even know what it's called, Medea Christmas movie. It was a good movie. I actually really liked it. It was nice to see Medea more toned down, but still like off the chain, and that was so nice because I haven't watched a Medea movie in a while. I wanted to watch Wakanda Forever, but it's actually not on the program right now, like to rent. I'm not sure if I need to go on some other platform, but I wasn't able to watch that. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Be sure to smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers. I am going to leave you guys a cue, an emoji cue. Today the emoji cue is going to be a credit card. Since we got a gift card in our unboxing today, drop a credit card emoji. Any one of them is fine, and you will be eligible to win prizes in our giveaway because you will be earning tickets, and I will be telling you guys more about that. I was gonna say, before I elaborated to you guys on how my Christmas was, I was gonna tell you guys that I'm literally so thankful that Christmas is over. I know that sounds so bad, not like that, but like the workaholic in me is just like, okay, back to work, back to hustling, like get it how you live. So I've been trying to export this video all day and get it onto my computer, but there's been new updates with iPhone and MacBook and all that, Apple, and it's making it so complicated for me to transfer a movie for some reason, which is very annoying. I've been having a lot of patience with it all day today and over the last few days. So I was able to upload one video today. I'm going to be uploading another one very soon. But the videos that I want to upload, like for instance, me finishing these and also me actually creating these, those two videos, Well, I'm trying to wait for the first one to transfer. It's an hour long, but it's taking its sweet time, so I'm just going to continue to be patient with it. In the meantime, I am going to film tomorrow, finally creating my full set with my jewels. And you guys, these nails have been holding on for dear life. I have low-key been trying to like take baths with them, wash dishes with them, so that they can start to pop off. Because I want to be able to keep them once I decorate them instead of like prying them off. They don't really seem to be going anywhere fast, but I'm gonna continue to try to like get them to pop off. But I really think I want to keep my Christmas nails because I'm gonna be so excited about them. So we'll see how that goes. Well, they're really like Christmas and winter themed, and I'm so excited. But anyways, so drop a comment, let me know how you guys are doing, let me know how your Christmas was. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I pray that you got to enjoy everything however you wished. As for me, everything was really good. It wasn't exactly perfect, but that's neither here nor there. Like, what is perfection at the end of the day? But it was pretty awesome, and I was super excited. So anyways, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna talk to you in the next video, since we won't be doing our Madam Glam Advent tomorrow. I'm gonna be keeping you guys posted. I am praying these nails will literally pop off. Like, I'm gonna try to get them to come off with ease, because I need to get to my blog, so I cannot afford to have long nails much longer. But you guys, I literally cooked my whole dinner with these nails, and I did sewing today with these nails. You guys, I can't tell you how many things I've had to do with these nails, and they are hanging on for dear life. Like, there is no letting go. But all right, you guys, well, I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. Holla, peace.